AMD RX 6000 series stock shortage. Is this the end of the Note series? Well, don't go anywhere. This is MLM. Guys, I know I'm supposed to cover on NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti launch this week, but sadly, when the launch happened, it was a bit too late for me to include it into this week's episode. So I promise you guys, I will definitely cover it next week. But for today, I'll be sharing with you guys some juicy GPU news. After the NVIDIA RTX 3000 series launch and a stock shortage that set the internet on fire, it seems like AMD is also facing the same issue with their RX 6000 series graphics cards. According to users all over the world, it is impossible to get your hands on the RX 6000 series card. So what is happening? According to videocars.com, they have been tracking major retailers in the US, Canada, UK, and Europe, and it seems like the RX 6000 series is more rare than the unicorn. Many retailers such as Memory Express in Canada say that they are not accepting pre-orders as they have received 0 units so far and have no ETA on custom AIB cards. While major US retailer Newegg.com have custom AIB cards listed, they are currently out of stock. In the meantime, let's take a look at the prices. Here is a chart made by videocars.com comparing the listed prices and MSRP of the cards. It looks like for the time being, AIB partners will be charging a lot more due to the overall stock shortage. According to Hardware Unboxed, AMD assured that there will be AIB cards priced at MSRP in 4 to 8 weeks. Realistically, things should become better starting off next year if you're looking to buy a new graphics card from AMD or NVIDIA. Fingers crossed that the prices will be good when they hit Malaysia. Samsung's second highest profile after the S series seems to be stepping down after many years in the spotlight. But will there be a Note 21? Well, we have seen a lot of doubts on the internet, and here is why they say that Samsung is putting an end to the Note series. Number 1. Samsung said that they will be focusing on releasing more foldable phones in 2021. So it is very likely for them to let go of the Note series because what company can justify having so many lines? Whoa. Also, their flip phones have bigger screens than the Note series, and we heard that the S21 and Galaxy Z Fold 3 might have an S Pen. So I guess it makes sense for them to drop the Note series and avoid having too many models competing for the same market. Number 2, you can't even find any notable presence of the Note 21 news or rumors, and the ones being reported might not even be coming. Lastly, a Korean news website, Aju News, claimed that the Note series will be discontinued as a result of adding the S Pen to the Fold 3 and S21 Ultra. We can only take this with a pinch of salt because it is not an official statement from Samsung. Actually, rumors about discontinuing the Note series has been circulating since 2 years ago, and at one point, Samsung even debated what name to name their unified S and Note line. Whoa. Well, I guess we can only wait for Samsung's official statement. What do you guys think about Samsung letting go of their Note series? Less steady or not? Guys, let's take a moment to appreciate this beauty. Designed for men, girls die also can wear. This G-Shock MTG B2000 is a high-end model that is made in Japan and features a metal build. It looks quite chunky, right? But believe it or not, it is 15% lighter than the other models because the metal bracelet is actually made with resin parts, not metal. The case features G-Shock's dual-core guard structure, which is a new structure where they combine their old and new technology. Nah, you see the carbon case inside the metal frame, right? Yeah, that's the new structure. Moving on, it is very suitable for cholo people like me because it is highly resistant to shock and centrifugal force. Centri what? Well, here's what it means. Read for yourself. Other features include tough solar, dual time indication, chronograph alarms, and world time that auto sets when crossing zones. And you can connect it to your smartphone to receive radio wave time calibration signals that automatically adjust the time. Oh, and it has water resistance of up to 200 meter. Available in 3 colors for 5,000 ringgit plus each. Is this the kind of Christmas gift you'll get for yourself, leh? Red Dead Redemption is an action-adventure game by Rockstar Games that has received many praises from gamers all over the world thanks to its vibrant world. You really gotta play the game for yourself to capture the essence of the game. But what is new about the game? Well, as one of the greatest single-player game of all time, it shocked fans when one of the developers from Rockstar Games confirmed that there will be no DLC for the game. So why leh? Well, that's because they're busy with the release of Red Dead Online. Red Dead Online? What is that? Well, Red Dead Online will be Red Dead Redemption's standalone game available for purchase separately on PS, Xbox, and PC. Right now, the early bird price is $4.99 lah. Next year after Valentine's, it will increase to $19.99. Wow, sounds like a good deal. Well, if you are interested, make sure you have 123GB set aside just to download this game. So far, we don't have much information regarding the system requirements to run this game. What do you think about this move? Are you also excited for the GTA Online standalone version coming out next year? Let me know in the comments down below. November is an exciting month with the release of PS5 lah and Xbox this and that lah, okay? But it won't be as exciting if you have a partner like this guy here. Why? Because if you have a partner like this, then you have highs and lows. And that is actually very bad for your health. A fallen brother in the console community was really excited to receive his PS5. He even teamed up with the delivery man to fool his wife and told her, it is an air purifier. Well, she believed for a very short time, and after that, GG. Because she found out the truth. You know what they say, women always find out the truth one lah. Our instinct is very strong. And then just like any other couples in the universe, our poor brother got a long lecture from his partner and was forced to sell his PS5 afterwards. I guess this is the real life ending for the Flash Speed Korean viral cartoon. Ay, so sad one. I hope that she is more updated with tech and understands that the key to everything is actually moderation. Game in moderation and also watch your crazy 100 episodes Hong Kong drama in moderation. If you had to lie to your partner like this brother here, what would you say it is? For me, I'll just answer is a speaker. Okay, it's comments time. My favorite segment. I'm just kidding. I like the whole MLM. Okay, anyway, continue. Dominic Francis, you have at least one viewer from New Zealand too. Mob House worldwide domination coming to a future near you. Thank you so much. If you like our content, do help us share it out. And also, we do have other videos where we do reviews and unboxing videos. Sometimes we do educational one under Technically, and also Your Mother No Teach. James Randy, I have same hairstyle. Bro, that just shows that you haven't cut your hair for a long time, right? You probably should. Next, Klaus. Aku ingat telefon Sony dah mati, lama tak dengar bunyi. Yeah, we haven't been hearing a lot from Sony regarding their mobiles, this and that. When it comes to camera and all, we know they are like pretty damn good. But for phones, right, I would say, Xperia 1 Mark II and 5 Mark II are gonna be quite the bomb lah. Supposedly launching this month, it has been delayed to next month, so bro, just wait. And you probably will be shook yourself too. It's Eric Liu, you're not close enough. How about you sit closer to your own monitor and watch me? I guess that is all already. I still have a lot of comments, but this video is too long lah. So I'll see you guys in the next episode of MLM. Bye!